So I'm gonna rank these washing machines. We started with LG, maybe. The LG is in S. I see LG backing 20, December 2023 to 2024, and that's 6 seats. Next spin 400, 800,000, 240, but that's 1400 RPM, which is really good. Whirlpool is in C. He has 1100 RPM, which is okay, but it only has 5 spin speeds. Next spin 400, 800,000, 1100, which is not bad. The, the meter is an S. I think it has 12,800, 600, 400 runs hold nice spin. 6 spin speed with runs hold option. That's 1200 spin, but I will take it. The Grenier is an S as well. It has no spin 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, and 1400, which is really good as well. The Zenith is a D. It has 1000 RPM auto. You have 2 spin speeds. You can either spin 1000 RPM or you can spin with autos. You can spin with auto option. Auto spin option. The United is an E. United is Greek language and also only 4 spin speeds. Next spin 400, 600, and 800. Which is not good. The Beko is a B because there's some of them made in Turkey and some of them made in Romania, which is not good. The Indeset is an A. Some of them 8 spin speeds, and some of them just 5 spin speeds. Well, but this is the same machine, but this time a brand new one. This Whirlpool right here goes in A, I think. Some of the old Whirlpools have 5 spin speeds, huh? Some of the Whirlpool have 8 spin speeds, maybe. What's this machine? Hot point goes in S. Some of the hot points have 8 spin speeds, and that's it, which I like it. the AEG because I want to fit the next other machines. And as I'll put in A because it has a lot of because if I put too many washing machines in S, it won't fit anymore. So I put in A, and it has some of the Asian washing machines 400 spin, some of the machines have 1600 spin, which is good, which is really good, which is excellent. The Electrolux is an A. Some of them have 8 or 7 spins maybe. Some of the Electrolux have only 5 spin speeds with rinse hold. And some of the top load washing machines 4 spin speeds with rinse hold and night cycle options. The wash is an Easy S. It has 8 spin speeds, which is really good. Samsung is Easy S. It has a lot of spin speeds, which is 8 spin speeds, it's really good. Well, I don't have enough space to fit this Kali S anymore. I'll put in A because it won't fit, and I think so I just say it's really good. And I think I can fit more washing stuff in S. I think Hoover is an S and Candy's an S as well. It both have so many spin speeds. I don't believe it. What's this washing? Hisense washing machine goes in. Wait, it doesn't have enough space. I think it goes in A. It has quite a lot of spin speeds, which is awesome. Daewoo is a B. It has 6 spin speeds and it has 4000 RPM, which is not bad. I'll take it, I guess. Last but not least, Toshiba. It's a D. Some of the Toshibas are English and some of the Toshibas are Romanian. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel. I want a lot of people to subscribe so I can reach 300 subscribers fast. Goodbye.